Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate brick quantity in a wall in meters using an easy method. First, measure your wall's length, height, and thickness to find its total volume. Next, we will determine the volume of a single brick, including its mortar joint. Then, simply divide the total wall volume by the volume of one brick with mortar. Finally, remember to account for any openings like windows or doors, and add a small percentage for waste. To begin, accurately measure your wall's length, height, and thickness, ensuring all units are in meters. For instance, a wall that is 10 meters long, 3 meters high, and 0.1 meters thick. Now, multiply these three measurements together to get the total volume of your wall in cubic meters. This foundational step is crucial for the subsequent calculations, providing the overall space your bricks will occupy. Next, let's determine the volume of a single brick, including its mortar joint. A common brick size is 0.2 meters long, 0.1 meters wide, and 0.075 meters high. We add a standard mortar joint of 0.01 meters to the brick's height. This makes the effective height 0.085 meters. Multiplying these dimensions gives us a volume of 0.0017 cubic meters per brick with mortar. Finally, to find the total number of bricks needed, simply divide your wall's total volume by the volume of one brick with mortar. For our example, 3 cubic meters divided by 0.0017 cubic meters gives us approximately 1,765 bricks. Remember to subtract the volume of any openings, like windows or doors, from your total wall volume before dividing. Also, always add an extra 5 to 10% for waste and breakages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.